Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the extruded cut feature. In previous episode we have learned about the extruded boss, revolve boss, sweep boss, loft boss, boundary features. Today we are going to learn about the extruded cut. So let's start. By these features we can cut a body in various shape. First we need to select a plane and make some sketch for making a solid body. Select corner rectangle, select this, give the dimension, so make it okay, and give the features. Extrude boss first, make it 5mm. Okay, for extrude cut we need a sketch over this plane, so select the surface first and sketch it. We can use the text features here, no problem. So select the text and first we need to, for text first we need to select a center line, and select this. We can increase this. Now sketch the text and give, you can use your name also. I am using my channel name. Okay. And I am changing the font from here. We need to increase the text size to 16mm. Sorry, to 16mm. Make it okay. We can also increase this to 20mm. Okay, and select the reference curve here. So make it okay. Now use the extrude cut. I can select this through all and okay. Here a notification bar shows the which body we will keep. So for this we keep all bodies. This is the extrude cut features for the closed contour. Now we are going to learn about the thin features of cut extrude. For this we need to select again and select a straight line or anything. Now select here and give anything you want. Give the dimension 10 versus 10. Select, drag it to the middle. Now select the features and extrude cut. For thin features we need to select the thin features here. You can say there are they use thin features generated, but we don't need this. We change the measurement to 2 millimeter. It's perfect. We can select this is selected the outward, but we can select this from mid plane also, and okay, bodies to keep all bodies and okay. This is all about the extrude cut features. In next tutorial we are going to learn the revolve cut feature. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.